I'm in desperate need of a reset. Uni has been like very overwhelming. I just need to like take a bit of control back in my life. So I think today what I'm gonna do is, because since it's November, I'm really in the mood to get like proper cozy. So I think I'm gonna try and find a recipe for baked oats, and I bought a new little casserole dish yesterday, like single serve casserole dish. So I'm gonna use that. I used it for my soup last night, and it was so good. Yeah, so I'm gonna try and find a recipe for baked oats, and then while that's cooking, I'm gonna come back in here and like tidy up. Hopefully that by the time that's ready, this will be all tidy, and then I'll be fine. I think as well this whiteboard behind me has all of my like weekly schedule on it, so I'm gonna rewrite all of that stuff out, because this week coming is production week, which is basically like half term for uni students, where you have to actually usually like film in that week. As well, I need to write a to-do list of everything that I need to get done this week. That's a lot of filmmaking tasks, because I do film production at uni, so I've got work for all my other modules that I need to do. I'm starting to feel very overwhelmed by my environment, and obviously getting overwhelmed by your environment is never good. So right, let's get on recipes for baked oats. I literally can't find anything that like fits what I have. So do you know what I think I'm gonna do? I think I'm just gonna wing it, because I generally just wing things anyway, so I think I'm just gonna do that. These are without a doubt not baked oats at all. They're definitely a bit too wet to be baked oats. I couldn't figure it out, so I just did what I normally did, but put it in the air fryer instead. But it still looks nice though, so. It tastes nice. It tastes like autumny. I was meant to clean up while my oats were cooking, but I was really frightened that it was going to blow up, because I've never had like a dish in the air fryer before, so I sort of hovered over it and made sure that it was alright. So I'm going to have this, then I'm going to get into tidying up. I mean, it's alright because I've got all day, and potentially I might go on a little walk later, as long as it's not like really late, because it's getting dark really early now. See you in a bit. The next thing on my to-do list is rewrite everything for this week. I love having this. I literally love having this here because I just at a glance can see everything that I need to do this week. So it just reminds me, because otherwise if I don't have things written down, like, I forget, and I need to have them written in like 3 different places as well. So I have them here, I have them on my phone, and I have them on like Google Calendar as well, which is synced to my laptop and my iPad as well. I don't know actually though where my green's gone. It was literally hours later when I found that green pen. It was right in front of me hours later. I can't cope. It'll be around somewhere. That section was stressing me out so much. I'm so glad that I finally got it done. I'm not going to show you what it looks like because it doesn't look tidy, but it's like organized chaos. You know what I mean? So I know where everything is. Because it's so small and I have so many clothes, it's just difficult to get everything in the right place. So I just put things places and just hope for the best. The next thing that I have to do is sort out all this stuff, and then we'll see where to go from there. After that, I just went and washed all of my dishes, and then I put them on the draining board to dry, obviously. And then I went back and got changed, went for a walk, and then when I came back from the walk, I just put them all away. I've just decided to go on a little walk. I've brought all my hat and gloves just in case I need it. I'm going to a park that I've never been before, so I'll show you. I love leaves when they're all different colours. Autumn.